Hello guys, Ricardo FR200 here. Yeah, I was wondering, do you guys have a beautiful landscape like this one next to your homes? Yeah, this is how Portugal looks like in the west coast. Pretty beautiful, huh? It's my dog. Hello. Little update. I'm waiting for a little upgrade for my computer. My mother told me she's gonna send a quad core to me this weekend. No, next week. Yeah. Even though I don't have much time for it, I'm still working on the bonus of the Two Gabronis React. I know we are already in 2015 or 2015. I don't know how you guys say this, but yeah, I think it's the right way. And Twilight. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Where's my dog? Anda cá, anda. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned.